Hello everyone, in today's video, we are going to see the Black Revolution, the petroleum industry in India. The petroleum industry has played a significant role in India's economic growth and has been referred to as the Black Revolution due to its impact on the country's energy sector. India's petroleum industry dates back to the early 20th century, when the first oil well was drilled in Digboi, Assam, in 1889. The industry grew slowly until the mid-20th century, when major oil discoveries were made in Bombay High and other offshore fields. Today, the petroleum industry is a major contributor to India's economy, accounting for around 15% of the country's GDP. India is one of the world's largest importers of crude oil and has a number of refineries and oil production facilities throughout the country. The petroleum industry has had a significant impact on India's energy sector, providing the country with a reliable source of fuel for transportation, industry, and electricity generation. However, the industry has also faced criticism for its impact on the environment and the health of local communities. The government of India has played an important role in regulating the petroleum industry, with agencies such as the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board and the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. The government has also implemented policies to promote the use of renewable energy sources and reduce the country's dependence on imported oil. While the petroleum industry has been a key driver of India's economic growth, the country is also working towards a more sustainable and environmentally friendly energy future. With the development of renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power, India is poised to continue its economic